Morning students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period and I am your English teacher. Today we will study from our English reader book lesson 4, The Princess and the Pea. Today I have explained you half of the chapter, and on that basis, I will ask you some questions in the WhatsApp group. So read the chapter properly, and after 10 minutes, I will ask you some questions. Yes, students, read the chapter properly. Students, you all know that today we will study from our English reader book. So write down classwork. Put the date, that is 10 August 2021. Now the chapter name is The Princess and the Pea. Once upon a time, a prince wanted to marry a princess. There was a time when a prince means a male person of a royal family wanted to marry a female person of a royal family, means a princess. But she had to be a true princess. But she had to be the right princess. So he travelled around the whole world to find one. So the prince travelled the whole world, but he don't find a suitable princess for him. There were lots of princes, but he could not find out if they were true princes. So he returned home feeling very sad. As I already told you that he traveled the whole world but could not find the true princess. So he came back home feeling very depressed. One night there was a dreadful storm. There was thunder and lightning, and it rained very hard. It was a very scary night. One night there was a very bad storm. There was thunder and lightning. Thunder means a loud noise in the sky that you can hear after storm, and lightning, and it rained very heavily. It was a very fearful night. There was knocking heard at the palace gate. Now, who could be out on such a night as this? Now, the keepers of the palace thought that there was a knocking, means somebody was knocking at the door palace gate. Who could be it? Thought the old king's servant as he went to open the gate. The servant went to open the gate. There stood a princess outside the gate, but oh, she looked so sad and she was lost. Her clothes were very wet and dirty. When the king's servant opened the door, then there a princess was standing outside the gate, but she looked very sad and very tired, and her clothes were very wet and dirty. Oh, please help me. I am Princess Sugar Plum, she cried out. I live on the other side of the mountain, and the wind blew me here. Now I can't find my way to my father's palace. Now princess says, "Help me. My name is Princess Sugar Plum." She shouted, and she says that she lived on the other side of the mountain. The wind carried her over here. Now she can't reach to his father's palace. The king's servant took her to the king. The king's servant take her to the king. "Of course, we will help you, my child," said the kind old king. Now, the king says, "Of course, we will help you, my child." And the king was a kind old king. Now, the queen had a wonderful idea. "We shall soon find out if she is a real princess," thought the old queen. Now, the queen had a great idea that we shall find out that if she is a real princess or means a true princess that the old queen wanted. She went into the sleeping room, took off all the bed clothes and laid a pea on the bottom of the bed. The queen quickly came to the sleeping room and take out all the sheets and the other cover of the bed, and there she put a pea. A pea is a small round green seed that is eaten as a vegetable, and put it in the bottom of the bed. Then she put 20 mattresses on the top of the pea. Then she put 20 mattresses, those things which are usually put on bed. You can see over here there were 20 mattresses put on the bed. The queen showed Sugar Plum where she was going to sleep. The queen showed Sugar Plum that over here you will sleep, up over here. "Oh my, I will need a ladder to climb that," she said. A ladder was brought in. Now the princess says that she needs a ladder. What is a ladder? It is an equipment to climb something, and she needs a ladder to climb up the 20 mattresses. So a ladder was brought. So here I am leaving. Tomorrow I will explain this part of the chapter, and then we will do the exercises in the book only. So dear students, read the chapter properly, and I will ask questions from you in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today, students. Your homework is read the chapter properly, and I will ask questions in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.